Well, during this tax season, we're hearing of several cases where identity thieves are getting to the IRS first and then ripping off honest taxpayers.
Yeah, this all comes after the massive theft of personal information from Anthem Insurance, as well as hundreds of other computer break-ins. Eyewitness News reporter Rich Van Wyk is following this consumer concern. Rich?
Andrea, some victims are customers of Anthem Insurance, others weren't. There are a lot more people out there who know their valuable personal information has been stolen, but don't know yet what's going to happen when they hit the send button on that electronic tax return. Judy Hickle is preparing to file her tax return. She's worried identity thieves may have beat her to it.
If I go to file my taxes and something shows up then, I'm going to explode.
Anthem recently sent Judy a letter. She is among the tens of millions of customers whose personal information was compromised in January when computer hackers raided the insurance company's files.
Oh, I think about it often.
For good reason. At least 140 Ball State University workers insured by Anthem say they are victims of identity theft. So far this year, Indiana's Attorney General has received 400 complaints of theft and been notified of more than 100 different computer security breaches.
It's hard to prove which of the breaches caused the identity theft.
And you've not been able to tie Anthem to any particular identity theft?
We haven't.
With a name, an address, a social security number, and other personal information, an identity thief can file a bogus tax return. The victim doesn't know anything about it until they try to file the real thing. Defrauding the government, credit card companies, and banks is so lucrative and apparently so easy.
The identity theft is now higher than property thefts.
Meaning people are making more from stolen identities than they are stolen cars?
Yes.
So protect yourself. Freeze your credit. It's free on this state website. If a thief gets your tax return, don't panic.
You're still going to get your money, so before anybody panics, the problem is when.
But that is a scary question.
We count on that money. We count on that refund coming. And if that money's not there, then it juggles the whole financial situation all around.
One of the ID theft victims at Ball State University says he usually gets his tax refund in 10 days. This year, the IRS told him it will be 6 months to straighten everything out and send him his money. If you file electronically and find out a thief filed ahead of you, notify the IRS immediately, as well as the Attorney General and local police. To make it all easy, we have some helpful websites at WTHR.com and check out hot topics. Andrea?
All right, thanks so much, Rich. And a reminder tonight, again, that the tax deadline to file your tax return is quickly approaching. You have until April 15th to turn in the paperwork or even ask for some extra time. To do that, just fill out Form 4868 to request an extension.